Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In this video, we'll break down the most common issues drivers face and how to keep these systems well maintained. Maintenance tips for electrical systems and transmissions. Your Chevy's electrical system and transmission need regular attention to stay reliable. Neglecting them leads to breakdowns and costly repairs. Here's how to keep both systems running smoothly with simple routines and expert-recommended checks. Electrical system maintenance. A healthy electrical system means no surprises, starting with the battery and moving through the wiring. Battery terminals. Corroded terminals weaken connections. Scrub them with a mix of baking soda and water, then rinse and dry. Tighten loose clamps. Inspect wiring. Look for frayed wires or cracked insulation, especially near heat sources like the engine. Rodents love chewing wires. Check if your garage has unwelcome guests. Test the alternator. If your headlights dim at idle or the battery light flickers, the alternator might be struggling. A multimeter can check its output. 14V is ideal with the engine running. Pro tip. Use dielectric grease on battery terminals after cleaning. It prevents future corrosion. Transmission maintenance. Your transmission works hard. Keeping its fluid clean and parts inspected avoids sluggish performance or sudden failures. Fluid changes. Old fluid loses its lubricating properties. Replace it every 30,000–60,000 miles. Check your owner's manual for exact intervals. Dark or burnt-smelling fluid. Change it immediately. Filter replacements. Dirty filters block fluid flow. Swap them during fluid changes, especially if towing or driving in extreme conditions. Regular inspections. Listen for hard shifts or whining noises. Check for leaks under the car. Red or pink puddles mean transmission fluid is escaping. For peace of mind, let a mechanic perform a diagnostic scan during oil changes. They'll catch early issues you might miss. Simple habits prevent big repairs. A few minutes of checking now saves hours and dollars later. Technological advancements in Chevrolet's systems. Chevrolet has pushed the envelope with its electrical and transmission technologies, integrating smarter, more efficient systems in recent models. These upgrades improve performance, fuel economy, and reliability while keeping up with industry trends. Here's how Chevy stands out with its latest innovations. Innovations in electrical systems. Modern Chevrolets use electrical systems that do more than just power the basics. They're designed to adapt, recover energy, and even predict issues before they happen. Smart charging. Newer models automatically adjust alternator output based on driving conditions. This reduces engine load, saving fuel without sacrificing battery life. Some trucks, like the Silverado, pair this with auto stop start for even better efficiency. Regenerative braking. Hybrid and electric models, like the Bolt EV, capture energy during braking, converting it back into usable electricity. This extends range and reduces wear on traditional brake pads. Dynamic fuel management. Not purely electrical, but controlled by advanced software. It deactivates unused cylinders in real time, cutting fuel use without the driver noticing. The system relies on precise voltage control from the electrical network. These features show how Chevy ties electrical performance to overall vehicle efficiency. The days of simple charge and start systems are long gone. Advancements in transmission technology. Transmissions have evolved just as much, with Chevy introducing quicker shifts, better durability, and adaptive tuning. Adaptive shifting. Found in models like the Camaro and Tahoe, this tech learns your driving habits. Aggressive acceleration. It holds gears longer. Steady highway cruising. It upshifts early to save fuel. The system recalibrates itself over time. Dual clutch systems, DCT. Though not yet common across all models, performance Chevys like certain Corvette trims use DCTs for lightning-fast shifts. These transmissions pre-select the next gear, eliminating lag between changes. Enhanced CVT designs. The Trailblazer's CVT now includes virtual shift points, giving a more natural feel compared to older rubber band-like CVTs. A patented chain design reduces slippage and noise, addressing common complaints. Chevy also integrates transmission software with the electrical system. For example, the Silverado's 10-speed automatic communicates with the battery and alternator to optimize shift timing under heavy loads. These aren't just minor tweaks. They redefine how drivers interact with their vehicles, blending efficiency with responsiveness. Whether you're towing or commuting, these advancements make the experience smoother and more intuitive. Keep your Chevy in top shape. Chevrolet's electrical and transmission systems keep your car running, but they need attention to stay trouble-free. The electrical setup powers everything from your engine to the radio, while the transmission ensures smooth shifts and efficient power delivery. Both systems have seen upgrades, from smarter charging in newer models to adaptive transmissions that learn your driving style. Common issues like battery drain or slipping gears can often be caught early with quick checks. Regular maintenance, like cleaning battery terminals or changing transmission fluid, goes a long way. Staying informed helps you spot problems before they leave you stranded. For deeper insights or professional help, check your owner's manual or consult a trusted mechanic. A little effort now saves time and money later. Keep your Chevy sharp, and it'll return the favor mile after mile. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.